Imagine it is July. The year is 1816. The place, New England. You step outside expecting summer sun. Instead, you are met with a frozen hell. The sky is the color of ash. Snow is falling. Your crops, your family's only hope for food, are turning black and dying. This was not a nightmare. This was reality. This was the year without a summer. But what caused this global catastrophe? The answer lies not in a weather pattern, but in a firestorm 8,000 miles away. A year earlier, on the Indonesian island of Sumbawa, Mount Tambora was not a mountain, but a sleeping giant. In April of 1815, it awoke. For 5 days, the earth shook. Then, on April 10th, the mountain exploded with a force 4 times greater than the famous Krakatoa. It was the largest volcanic eruption in recorded human history. The blast was heard 1,200 miles away. The mountain's summit was obliterated, vanishing into a cloud of ash and rock that soared 25 miles into the sky. The local death toll was immediate and horrific. But the true killer was invisible. Tambora had injected millions of tons of sulfur dioxide gas into the stratosphere, creating a vast, poisonous veil that would soon circle the entire globe. This aerosol cloud acted like a mirror, reflecting sunlight back into space. It did not dissipate quickly. For over a year, it traveled, cooling the entire planet by an average of 3 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't sound like much, but it was enough to shatter the world's climate. In 1816, the effects were felt everywhere. New England saw frost every month of the year. Snow fell in June, July, and August. Crop prices in the U.S. skyrocketed. A bushel of oats that cost 12 cents now cost 92 cents. In Europe, still recovering from the Napoleonic Wars, the situation was dire. Failed harvests led to famine, which led to riots. Tens of thousands of Europeans packed their bags, beginning a great wave of migration to the American heartland, desperate for stable land to farm. This crisis forced innovation. Getting food from the fertile Ohio Valley to the starving East Coast became a matter of survival. This desperation accelerated the push for better transportation, fueling the American canal boom and the expansion westward. But perhaps the most fascinating legacy was born in a villa on the shores of Lake Geneva. A group of friends, including the poets Lord Byron and Percy Shelley, and his future wife, Mary Wollstonecraft Godwin, were trapped indoors by the unending, gloomy weather. To pass the time, Byron proposed a challenge. We will each write a ghost story from this contest. Born from the darkness of a volcanic winter, an 18-year-old Mary Shelley conceived one of the most enduring monsters of all time, Frankenstein. Her tale of a scientist who arrogantly creates life, only to be haunted by his creation, mirrored the world's own feeling of a natural order turned upside down. The story of 1816 teaches us a profound lesson. We often see history and the planet as separate, but they are inextricably linked. A single geological event on one side of the world can trigger famine, spark mass migration, inspire literary masterpieces, and accelerate technological change on the other. The year without a summer stands as a powerful monument to human resilience in the face of planetary forces. It is a story from our yesterday, a stark reminder of our place on this world. And beyond?